Here we are looking at the Festival Park roundabout, the one that goes under the flyover. First of all, we're looking at approaching from the A500 marked here. There are 3 lanes. There used to be a bus lane here, but now there's not. There's just 2 lanes going right, 1 straight and left. So for going right here, you'll be following the signs for city centre. You would approach in this lane here. Again, it's a spiral roundabout which would then take you to here, and as you can see, you are now on the outside of the roundabout, making it much safer. Now we're looking travelling from city centre here and following the signs for leak. So first of all, we want to be in this lane, the right lane, but as we enter the roundabout, we make our way to here where this white car is. There's a set of traffic lights here, following round and aiming for this point here, which means that we can come off safely heading up towards Cobridge lights. So again, we hope you find this helpful, and we will leave the video running for a short while so you can take a look at how the traffic actually moves. If you have a look at the flyover, it's actually 30 miles an hour and there's a solid white line, so there's no overtaking on that. If you're looking at fouls in a driving test, one of the fouls can be on the flyover that going up you have to give it a little bit of gas, but once you reach the peak right in the middle of the roundabout, it's downhill like a roller coaster, so the car starts picking up speed. So a little point there to remember. And again, just let the traffic flow. Spiral roundabouts work really well if everyone uses them correctly. Sometimes you get taken into Festival Park, so I'm going to look at 2 ways that you will be using this roundabout from Festival Park. So the first way is that you may turn right. So obviously we are going to be approaching in the right hand lane here. As you enter the roundabout, you will then see in front of you 2 lanes, both with right on. So again, we use our keep to the left of the 2, so that puts us in this lane here, and follow the roundabout around, and then this puts us, because it's a spiral roundabout, in the outside lane, the left hand lane, meaning we're managing our risk and keeping to the left. Now the next way is coming from Festival Park, is that you'll be heading towards Hanley. So on this one, we approach in the middle lane, and as we enter the roundabout, we need to then get into the left hand lane here, which keeps us in a much safer place to exit the roundabout heading towards city centre in our left hand lane. So again, we're managing the risk.